Alright, in this video we're going to take a look at how to use the matrix calculator from Desmos. For this one, you want to go to desmos.com/matrix, not calculator. So if you want the matrix calculator, which as if this video is still in its beta stage, it's desmos.com/matrix. That's /matrix, MATRIX. So what this will allow us to do is some operations with matrices. We can raise them to powers, find the inverse and such. So if we want to create a new matrix, we just click new matrix, and then we can set the dimensions however we like. So if we want to have, let's say, 3 rows and 3 columns, a 3 by 3 matrix, we can do that. This one I think goes up to 6, which for our purposes, we're not really going to need to go beyond that. So it'll automatically name matrix, the first one matrix A, and then if you click a new matrix, it'll go to B and then C. So as far as what we're going to use these for, you can stick within the confines of what this matrix calculator can do. So then you just type in your values like you would anything else. So you go -2, and then if you hit the tab key, you can type in other ones as well, or you can just select them if you're on your phone, you just press it, should be able to select it. So I just select that, get 0, -1, 7, 9, 15, and 4. So, or 3, it's fine, doesn't really matter. So then if I press enter, it'll register that matrix. So if I want to do something like square matrix A, which is going to multiply A by itself, I can select matrix A and then square it, and that's what I get. So if I want to go to a new line, I can press enter, and here's matrix A times itself. Remember, with matrix multiplication, we don't just square the individual elements. We can also find the inverse of matrix A, which can be used to help us solve systems of equations. So to get the inverse of matrix A, here's your inverse button, just hit well, hold on, I forgot to, it's A, and then the inverse, and here's what we get. So in terms of using the inverse of the matrix to solve a systems of equations, you can just do this, and then you can input your other side as matrix B, and then do A inverse times B. You have all these other features, some of which we won't talk about, but this is called the transpose. It just switches your rows and columns. It's called the determinant. It's used to help, among other things, to determine whether or not systems of equations has a solution. You can also raise a matrix to like the 3rd or 4th or 5th power using this right here. So again, that's desmos.com/matrix. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I guess I can clear everything out by hitting clear, and I'll see you next time.